First Peter chapter 5, verse 5. Likewise, you younger people, submit yourselves to your elders. Yes, all of you, be submissive to one another and be clothed with humility, for God resists the proud but gives grace to the humble. Hi, welcome to Wholeheartedly for the Lord Bible Journaling with Sherry. Today's process video is by Merriams Memoirs, $2 love. Look at this Bible kit. It's so beautiful. I had to print out a double sheet on another sticker paper because I loved it, and I'm going to put it in my traveler's notebook. But look at these images. Be humble, be clothed with humility, and just the lettering and the clothes is just so pretty. And I had this blank page in my Thrive Bible, and I said these elements would be perfect for that page. So join me as I do this process video and head on over to the Etsy shop. It is there at the Etsy shop where you can find Merriam's Memoirs. Remember, I'm just showing you what I use in my stash and what I purchase, but you don't have to buy from those Etsy shops or anything like that. I'm just showing you what I use for my personal journaling, just to encourage you to, no matter how you choose to journal, just get in the Word and be creative and allow the Lord to minister to you. So I'm going to use my distressed ink and my Memento ink to ink up the page, and then I'm going to let Merriam's Memoirs Bible Kit do the rest of the work. Thank you for watching, and God bless. And remember, if I can Bible journal, so can you. Thank God I printed extra copies, because the Be Humble that I printed on my original sheet was much too big for the page. So the other sheet that I showed you with 2 on the page, I used that for the Be Humble and for the scripture. So it worked out. And then I also should have put those shoes underneath the feet, but I didn't. That's okay. I think we get the point. I wanted room on the far right so that I can have my notes and write. So the only thing that I added that was outside of Miriam's kit was the arrow that came from my Praise and Pray elements. I had some arrows left over. So right now I'm writing my notes, and the notes that I got were from Matthew Henry's commentary, whom I love. And he said, "Let your minds, behavior, garb, and whole frame be adorned with humility. Be adorned with humility as the most beautiful habit you can wear. This will render obedience and duty easy and pleasant. If you be disobedient and proud, God will set himself to oppose and crush you." Great lesson. John MacArthur also said, "It literally means to tie something on oneself with a knot or a bow. It's lowliness of mind. It means that it's not too good to serve." It is my desire and prayer for us that as we dress for the day and for the warm weather, or wherever we are in the United States or all over the world, that the first thing we put on is humility. So God bless you, and thank you for watching, and have a happy and Merry Christmas. And thank you for being so supportive of this channel. Thank you again for watching.